welcome back to Lincoln Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here guys, we'll be working on Lincoln MKX and we'll show you guys how to remove or replace your radio DVD player guys. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, okay, we'll share all the tools and parts guys that we use in the description of the video below, so if you need something guys, check out the links. Let me introduce you guys to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's start on it now. So first step, okay, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to put the parking brake on, okay, like that. Next I'm going to turn ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. And we're going to press, okay, right here, the automatic transmission lever to neutral. That way guys, okay, we'll be able to remove a few trim pieces and you'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. I'll go ahead, turn it off now. Okay, we'll have some beeping because we have the doors open. It will stop any minute now. With a plastic prying tool guys, you can find in the description of the video below where we get our prying tools. We're going to go ahead, okay, and disconnect this one now. Okay, there is two more clips right here on the front. Okay, and that trim piece will come out. So get it out before you break it. Okay, and lift it up. Now let me explain to you guys where all the clips are. Let's flip it this way. Okay, you have 1, 2 that go right here. Then you have these two clips. Okay, those two go right there. And then you have the two on the front that go right here. And you can see how much coffee is in here guys. They spilled quite a bit of coffee here. So this piece is out of the way now. So once we remove guys the cup holders right here, this is your ashtray. Okay, and that compartment right here, that door often will go bad. We have two clips that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver guys. If you need to get the set that we use guys, it's an amazing set, check it out. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. We'll share all that stuff guys, so if you need any tools or parts, it will be very convenient for you, okay, to see where to get them from. Okay, perfect. Now guys, here we have, okay, two clips right here that we'll need to pry, okay, with that tool and hold that piece there. Okay, push that thing forward and remove that one. Okay, perfect. Now, what we need to do guys, okay, we need to disconnect the cigarette lighter cable. Okay, that's the only thing that we have now that's holding, and we'll be able, okay, to pull that piece out. So let's see how exactly we'll get that thing out. Sometimes, okay, those things they get stuck pretty bad if you haven't removed it for a while. Right here guys on the back side, okay, you have one thing that you need to press in. If it doesn't want to go in, push the cable all the way in, then press right here and pull it out. Okay, this is the clip guys, okay, right here. And you can see that ashtray assembly came out of the way as well. Next guys, I'll go ahead, turn the ignition off. Okay, we can go ahead and put it in park and pull the key out. Make sure that that way is off. If we can pull it out, okay, we're going to move it again, but I just want to have the ignition off because when disconnecting the wire, it's important to have your ignition off guys. So once we remove the trim bezel piece, okay, I'm going to explain to you where all the different wires are, okay, and all the different clips. Right here guys, we have two switches. This one, okay, from the side you push and you pull it out. This one is the same way. Okay, check it out now, right here. And then you have the two on the back. There is a tooth that you press in, here in the middle. Okay, and then you just twist it like that and it comes out. One more on this side, same thing, and now we have one more. Okay, now that's it, and you can see that piece came out of here just like that. Now guys, with that piece out of the way, okay, we'll be able to remove the radio, okay, radio navigation here. We have four bolt screws that we need to remove. Okay, and this one with a 7mm socket, guys. All that said, guys, with the screwdriver and the sockets, you can find, guys, the link in the description of the video below. Super handy. Nothing sponsored here, everything's purchased by us, but we share the things that we like and the parts, guys, that we use, so that way, if you need something, you can get it. Okay, removing the two on this side, so two on the left, two on the right side. I would recommend, guys, when you disconnect your radio DVD, guys, or you reconnect the new one, have your car battery disconnected when you do that, okay, because you don't want something to burn. Okay, grab it now and pull it out. It's a pretty big unit, as you can see. We have all the wiring harness right here now. Press, okay, right here. Okay, this one is, I'm trying to get it with the left hand. Okay, this one came out. This one as well. This one here now, that antenna, okay, it goes right here. You have a little bitty thing that you push in, and now we just have the regular antenna pushed out like that. That's how you guys remove it. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.